This is a list of numbers. Can you find the next two numbers in the list? The difference between the numbers is 1. Thus, we can add 1 to get the next two numbers. We're able to find the next two numbers because these numbers follow a certain pattern. We say these numbers form a sequence. A sequence is a list of numbers that follow a certain pattern. Each number in the sequence is called term. Here are some lists of numbers. Which of them are number sequences? The Italian mathematician Fibonacci devoted much of his time and effort to the study of the so-called Fibonacci sequence. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Can you see a pattern in the sequence? What are the next two terms? The Fibonacci sequence appears frequently in the natural world, such as the pattern of reproduction in bees and the arrangement of petals on flowers. We even can use squares that represent Fibonacci numbers to construct the golden spiral. Click on the button provided to see. Pascal's triangle is a triangle of numbers starting with 1. What are the next two rows of the numbers? Do you know we can find number sequences in the Pascal's triangle? Sequence of number 1, sequence of numbers. Sequence in which the differences between the terms increase by 1. Add up the numbers in each row. We can get this sequence. In this sequence, we multiply each term by 2 to get the next term. Sometimes we can use dots to show patterns of numbers. For example, these dots form triangular patterns. They are called triangular numbers. Can you find the next term? These dots form square patterns. They are called square numbers. Can you find the next term? A sequence of matchsticks is shown below. How many matchsticks are there in each pattern? The following shows a list of numbers. When one of them is changed, the numbers will form a number sequence. Circle the number which has to be changed and correct it. Mr. Archimedes' bathroom is going to be tiled using the following tile patterns. Investigate the other growing tile patterns for him so that he can decide the number of yellow and blue tiles he needs to buy. Key in the number of yellow tiles in the box provided and click on Tile the Bathroom button to see a growing tile pattern. The computer will calculate the number of corresponding blue tiles needed for you. Can you find the 100th term of the following sequence? To solve this problem, we can rewrite the terms of the sequence before looking for a pattern. Study the pattern above. Can you find the 100th term? Now look at this sequence. The first 4 terms have been rewritten properly. Study the pattern given. You should be able to tell the 50th term in the sequence. What is the answer? Here is a sequence of odd numbers. Can you find the 65th term of the sequence? A sequence of regular polygons, P1, P2, P3, P4 is formed. How many sides are there in each of the polygons? How many sides are there in P10? Patterns of staircases are made using squares. Click on each pattern to see the next. How many squares are there in S20? A sequence of shapes is formed using squares. Click on each shape to see the next. How many squares are there in U4? In which shape are there 399 squares?